Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. Let me say something that might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how often this happens. Your new teeth should not be a surprise on surgery day. You shouldn't wake up from a major procedure, look in the mirror and think, wait, these don't look like me. But unfortunately, that's exactly what some patients experience. So today I want to talk about why this happens, what should be happening instead, and how we make sure your smile is something you actually love, not something you're just stuck with. In a lot of high volume or fast-paced clinics, the focus is on getting through the surgery efficiently, which means limited pre-planning, minimal design conversations, no real preview process, and very little patient input. So what ends up happening? The provider makes decisions about the tooth shape, the size, the color, the position of the teeth, and the first time you see it, it's after it's already in your mouth. It's not exactly how this should work. This is your face. You should be involved. Dental implants, especially full arch cases, aren't just functional. They're aesthetic. They're personal. They're part of how you show up in the world. You deserve to have a say in how your teeth look, how they fit your face, how they feel when you talk and smile, and how natural they appear. This isn't a one-size-fits-all process, and it shouldn't be treated like one. At Smile Now, your smile is designed before surgery ever happens. We go through a process that includes digital scans and imaging, smile design consultations, prototypes or temporary teeth, and multiple checkpoints for feedback. You'll know what your teeth are going to look like, how they're going to feel, and what changes can still be made. There are no surprises, just a clear plan. Why the temporary phase matters. One of the biggest advantages we give patients is the temporary phase. You don't just get teeth, you get the chance to live with them. During that time, you can tell us, these feel too bulky. I want them a little wider. My speech feels off. Can we soften the shape a little bit? That feedback is incredibly valuable because once we go to your final zirconia teeth, we're locking in those decisions for a long time. When providers skip the design and feedback phase, you get generic looking smiles, horse teeth, speech issues, bite problems, patients who feel stuck with something that they don't love. And fixing that later, it's possible, but it's more time, more cost, and more frustration. The best outcomes happen when it's a partnership. You bring your preferences, your personality, your goals. We bring the clinical expertise, the design tools, and the experience to make it work functionally and aesthetically. Together, we build something that feels right, not just looks good in a photo. Now, if you're going into an implant consultation, you need to ask, will I see my smile before surgery? Do I get input on the design? Is there a prototype phase? What happens if I want changes? If the answers are vague or the process feels rushed, that's something to pay attention to. Now, if you want a smile that's designed with you, not decided for you, click the link in the description below to schedule your free consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll walk you through the full design process so you know exactly what to expect before, during, and after surgery. No surprises, just results you'll actually love. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more real talk about dental implants and getting it done right the first time. See you in the next video.